Would you like making butter? Okay. Is it all right to turn you upside down? Okay. And if there's anything you don't like, will you let me know? All right. Then let's begin. I want to make some butter. And first, I have to milk my cow. Milk, milk, milk.
That hurts too much.
It's too hard? Okay, how about this? Milk, milk, milk. Is that better? Okay, thanks for telling me. And then I'm going to take all the good cream and put it in my butter churn. We have lots of cream because we have a Jersey cow. And I like to put just a little bit of salt in my butter.
Okay.
Okay. And now let's stir it up. 1, 2, 3. Good. Well then, now it's time to churn the butter. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Is it butter yet?
No.
Achoo, achoo, achoo. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Is it butter yet?
No.
Okay, one more time. Achoo, achoo, achoo.